everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to do a marble pour today with a golf ball instead of a marble. We'll see what happens. It's a lot bigger than a marble, so maybe it'll be more of an effect. For anyone who likes golf and is freaking out that I'm using a golf ball, it says Pro Staff. I don't think that's a really high brand name one or anything, so hopefully it's okay to use it in paint. No one's gonna message me. So this is a 12 by 16 inch art panel. I got it from Dollarama for $4. Can't beat that. It's primed in black gesso. I did a little video on priming them, and I will put the link in the description if you care. It's pretty simple. You just paint it on. It dries in an hour. And I'm going to use all these shades of blue. I will link, sorry, not link them. I will put the names of them in the description. And so the shades of blue, and I have black and white. And I'm going to do some puddles and then put the golf ball in and tilt it around and let it do some magic. Wondering, I was gonna tilt it to finish the edges, but I kind of like it like that. I might use my airbrush to give it a little bit of movement. Let's try that. It's kind of a mess, but